Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. This is the American Superior Boulevard River Crossing in Winter Haven, Florida. Here we have two gated signals with LED lights, one e-bell, and one mechanical bell. This is an overlooking northeast. We're going to take a look at the southwestern signal. So we got a stage base, stage gate mechanism. We got WCH 12 by 24 inch lights with WCH second generation LEDs. Here's a close up of the LED. And the bell is an NEG electronic bell. I believe this bell replaced a WCH mechanical bell or WRS mechanical bell, or whatever mechanical bell is that used to be on this crossing. The gate lights are Ricoh LED gate lights. So that's the northeast. No, that's the north. So that's the southwestern signal. This is an overlooking southwest. We're gonna take a look at the northeastern signal. We got another safe jam base, or whatever kind of base is that. I believe a WCH or safe tran, whatever gate mechanism is this. We got more WCH 12 by 24 inch lights with WCH second generation LEDs. We got a WCH junction box, I believe, or whatever junction box. Bell is, I believe, a WRRS mechanical bell. We got more Ricoh LED gate lights, which you probably can't see. Let me move. Hold on. There. Now you can see the gate lights. See here. And right there is Snively Elementary that I used to go. So this is the American Superior Blvd River Crossing in Winter Haven, Florida. As always, thank you for watching. Over and out.